Another hot and humid day, and then we have to talk about Elsa. I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci. I think this map here really explains that we are indeed in the dog days of summer. Dew points are in the muggy 70s here all the way through Friday, and Saturday drops a little bit, but we're still on the muggier side. Let's start off with our Wednesday morning numbers here. Plenty of sunshine to start off our day. Temperatures rising quite quickly. That's usually what happens when you get to 90 degrees for your high temperature on the mainland. You get to 83 by 9 a.m. Even the shore should be around 80 degrees by 9 a.m. And then for our Wednesday, here we go, 90s for the mainland. We're going to add about 2 or 3 degrees from where we were on Tuesday to our Wednesday. And along the shore, some places are going to be well in the 80s here because we do lose that onshore wind, I do believe. I think it's going to be mostly from the offshore direction here. Here's a look at our sea and sand forecast. A little bit breezy on the sand here, some blowing sand around, but otherwise looking pretty good here. Rip current risk is a moderate. Here's a look at our forecast for Wednesday night. Looking at our rain here, rain stays mainly to our north as well as to our west. I do believe we have a dry night here in South Jersey. Can't completely rule out a shower here, but I'm going to go with a dry night here. More than likely, you're just going to remember it as another warm, balmy, summery night with low temperatures in the 70s. As we go into Thursday, early sunshine, giving way to clouds ahead of Elsa. Winds will pick up as the day goes on. So these stronger winds aren't going to be until the afternoon, and especially into the evening as winds turn to the southwest, then to the southeast, then to the northeast. Here comes Elsa. This is from the NAM model. Look at the center of low pressure system. It's going to come right here, right through the state. That would bring heavy rain, some stronger winds, and some coastal flooding as we go into our Friday here. But the NAM model is mainly showing this happening early in the morning. Let's take a look at what's going to happen with our Canadian model here. Most of the rain actually comes overnight along with the winds as the center of the low pressure system again goes over New Jersey. We want to stay on the west side of the low pressure, not the east side, but the North American model as well as the Canadian model are pointing out that we're going to be on the more dangerous east side of the storm. Here's a look at our sustained winds for 8 a.m. here. Not tropical storm force, that's good, but we are talking about gusts 40 to 50 miles an hour along the shore here. Equivalent of, I would say, a above average nor'easter for us here. Nothing crazy, but still going to be a good wind. Canadian model shows the same thing. It's just that is actually going to be a little faster than the North American model here. Elsa is our 5th named storm of the season. We are ahead of schedule again for hurricane season. Now, here are the 2 scenarios. This is what happens if Elsa moves over or west of New Jersey. Similar to the 2 models I just showed you before. 6 to 8 hours of heavy rain, flooding from the rain, not from the coastal flooding, the regular rain. Roadways, streams, creeks could flood here. 40, 50 mile an hour gusts along the shore. Tropical force sustained winds, 39 miles an hour or greater sustained are possible along shore. Not a definite, possible. Dangerous rip currents, coastal flooding at some point on Friday, probably just minor flood stage. We do have the new moon on Friday as well. Here's a look at what happens if it moves offshore. Heavy rain mainly near the coast. In fact, Bridgeton could be mostly dry here. 25 to 35 mile an hour gusts, still going to deal with some rip currents, still going to deal with minor coastal flooding, but overall, not a big deal for us here. Let's take a look at our mainland 7-day forecast. Elsa, 87 degrees for our high temperature. That would be if the rain is out of here by the afternoon and we start getting some sunshine, which looks to be the case right now. Then as we go into our Saturday and Sunday, not a bad weekend, but we are talking about pop-up showers and storms, mainly on Sunday. We'll flip over to the shore 7-day. Temperatures a little bit cooler there, of course. Then as we go into next week, staying on the more unsettled side, staying humid as well. But overall, I don't see any washouts as we go into our 7-day forecast. Have a great day, everybody. We're going to talk to you more about Elsa coming up tonight. You can follow me on social media for that, or you can come to our website at thepressofac.com/weather.